I made a Call of Duty inspired Sentry gun for my G.I. Joes with scrap action figure accessories. The main part of the Gatling gun was from this trike that came out with this Rambo action figure set. The tripod was actually a part of a G.I. Joe set. The drum is another Rambo action figure set, and these two pieces, I'm not really sure what they came from. The main part of the Gatling gun was from the Rambo The Force of Freedom sets, or action figure set. When we moved into the place that we're in now, we found a bunch of little toys laying around in the backyard. I gathered them up and I put them in a bag. I used all those pieces to make this Gatling gun. The tripod is just screwed into the Gatling gun, and then the drum and the other two pieces that I'm not sure what it came from are just glued on. I gave it a paint job with a flat black paint. I think it looks much better, all one solid color. I might go back in and add some details to some of the pieces, maybe dry brush it a little bit. It's pretty small for a 12-inch action figure, but I'm sure it'd get its point across. Unfortunately, it doesn't move up or down or sideways, but that's okay. As aesthetic set, it looks pretty good. At least I think so. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We're closing in on 100 videos. More information on that soon. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.